Hello guys, welcome back and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing with our Materia Medica flashcard series for 3rd BHMS with our next drug which is Stramonium through a flashcard. Stramonium, source is vegetable kingdom, common name is thorn apple, stinkweed, family Solanaceae, prover is Dr. Hahnemann, miasm is typically a sora, temperament is bilious, and thermally the patient is easily affected by cold. Ailments from include shock, fright, sun, childbirth, suppression of secretions and excretion. Borix Materia Medica introduction. The entire force of this drug seems to be expanded on the brain. Though skin and throat show some disturbances, suppressed secretion and excretions is well marked in this remedy. Sensation as if limbs were separated from the body, delirium tremens is also again well marked, absence of pain plus muscular mobility. So this was the gist of Stramonium through Dr. Borik's point of view. Now let us look into the sphere of action. Generally, nervous system is affected. It acts on brain, mind, mucous membrane, skin. It is used in acutes like belladonna. Mind, it is a trio of delirium, loquacity. Topmost degree is found in this remedy, loquacity. Patient talks all the time. During delirium, sings, makes verses, raves non-stop. Incoherent talking and laughing goes on in this patient of Stramonium. There is difference in degree, very furious mania. There is difference of degree with that compared to belladonna, and unlike belladonna, there is no inflammation like in belladonna. And there is a furious mania. Disposition continuously for praying, beseeching and entreating, especially with suppression of menses. So the patient is generally disposed to pray continuously and beseech. Patient always wants and desires light and company. So this is very important feature of Stramonium, that the patient always desires and wants light and company. Yet cannot tolerate shining bright objects, cannot bear solitude and darkness, remains in a dark room alone. Terrified by hallucinations. There is a raving mania, religious insanity found in the patients of Stramonium. In delirium, the patient wants to escape. He runs here and there away and hides himself in corner, difficult to be located at. So the peculiar imagination that he is many person. He is lying crosswise, his head is in many pieces and is lying scattered about. So this is an important imagination which is seen in patients of Stramonium. There is strange illusion about his own identity. Talks in foreign language and foreign tongue. Patient feels he is seeing ghosts and other animals. Hears voices, thinks he is in communication with the spirits. There is marked hydrophobia in the patients of Stramonium. So please remember this marked hydrophobia in Stramonium. Whenever you hear the word Stramonium, the word hydrophobia should strike your mind. Guiding symptoms plus keynote. So painlessness is one of the most characteristic symptom of Stramonium. There is no pain with most complaints, just like opium. Desires light and company. There is great loquacity, religious mania seen. Always feels sleepy but cannot sleep. Twitching of muscles during delirium. Convulsions with consciousness is again an important hallmark feature of Stramonium. I repeat, convulsions with consciousness. Vomiting as soon as he raises his head from pillow. Feels head is scattered in many pieces. Remember the word violent, furious, delirium for Stramonium. Modalities finally include aggravation in darkness when alone, looking at bright or shiny object, after sleep, when attempting to swallow, and in forenoon. The ameliorating factors are from bright light, from company, and from warmth. So with this we end this video, guys, of Stramonium through a flashcard in a nutshell. I hope this video helps you out to revise Stramonium or either study Stramonium for the first time and give you a gist or the pulp of this remedy in nearly 5 minutes. So I hope this video helps you all out, and please do give it a like, subscribe to our channel It will motivate us to make more and more such videos for you all. And please do support us. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next one.